So who else doesn't really enjoy cleaning the toilet? I mean, ENJO makes it easy. We've got the amazing bathroom wand that helps to get up under the rim and get down in there, but you still have to bend, right? Like, I certainly can't reach in my toilet with this. So if mobility is not an issue for you, you probably love this, and I do as well. But if bending to get down to clean the toilet is any kind of issue for you or someone you know, just add the Bathroom Flexi onto your floor pole. So now it gives you a long length that you can reach. So even those tall guys can't get out of cleaning the toilet. And then you can bend this however you need to get in. So let me just lift that up. I haven't experimented with this yet. So you're going to want for this style of toilet, I recognize there are different styles of toilet, but you want it bent so that it will get up under the rim, but you also want it to go down into, I am not a toilet expert, what do you call the part where all the water and everything goes down? Into that little chute part. So it'll take a little bit of experimentation on the best curve for your flexi, but that's the beauty of the flexi, right? You can bend it however you need to. So I don't have to, so I'm just going to use the water from the toilet to wet my flexi. Now obviously it was an unused toilet that I am cleaning right now, but it gets right in there, and then you can get up under the rim quite nicely, and I am not bending at all. Now, I'm not going to do it now because this has been in my toilet, but you could very easily reach in behind your toilet and get any of the back part that probably a lot of us don't clean, because you have to bend and reach and literally climb over the toilet virtually to get there. So this is wet, so I don't want to bring it too close, but there is definitely dirt on there that came out of what should have been a reasonably clean toilet. I find this version actually goes farther into that chute than I was getting with this for cleaning. So another tool, another use for your flexi, but a mobility friendly one. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye!